Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my new tutorial of our TIE portal. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to program control operations work in our TIE portal. So you will see my program control operations. I'm going to use on 0.0 there and output as I'm going to use output as Q0.0 and I'm just using another bit there. So what I don't need a bit. I'm going to directly energize that and using Q0.1 there. Now I'm using the jump level there. First of all, I don't think the jump is going to work that way. I'm going to use jump that and going to name it a new. I'm going to use a label there. I'm going to use new label there. So I'm going to add a new network there and I'm going to make a branch. I'm going to jump NMP. I think it don't use there. Let's see what I'm doing. I'm going to make another there. I'm going to use N and 1 there. And I'm again using label there, not JNP. And I'm just going to another. I'm going to label that, name that new one, and I'm going to name new one, and I'm giving an output to that. I'm going to use 0.1 there. So I think my program has been ready. So you will see how jump command is going to work in our TI portal. I'm going online and see. So you will see it will not give us output. So that however the large output has been energized because it is if our bit is off, that's why it is going to work. If I am going to modify it to 1, so you will see it will not energize our that level. Why it is not going to energize that? Because it is raining new command. So if I am going to, you will see it will give us why new is not working. I need to modify it to 1 to 0 again that, but you will see how jump is going to work. So I am going to modify it to 1, so you will see it will directly jump that level to that and the new level is not energized. So I am just if I am going to energize that, let's see, modify it to 1. It will not working because the ring of our is directly jumped from there to there. So if I am going to make it offline like 0, so you will see it will always work that there, but it will also our GNT there. So if I am going to change that label, but just I am showing you that, you will see that it will directly jump. If I am going to energize that jump, it will not energize our second ring because it don't have a level. If because I give a level to new network 3, so that way it will energize directly from that to there. So it will skip a one run because our that jump has don't have a label. So you will see it will directly energize that there. So if I am going to use, I am going to modify that to 0. That I don't know why it is going to work, but if our output is of GMPN, so that means it will not energize, it will directly working, I think. But if its output is when JPN working, JPN output when working, but it will not energize. So it will, I think it will give us something. I don't understand that. But it will directly come into from there to there. I am just going offline here, and I think I need to delete that one. And I'm going to delete that one also. Now I think I need to test that it is working or not. I'm going to compile that, load into my PLC, and I'm going online that it will directly energize. But if I'm going to modify it to 1, I think that need to stop work, but I don't know why it's not stop working. But it will have to stop work. So I think it will energize our level. No, it will not working. I think it will accept as a down. Then changing to new. Now I am going to check that it is working or not. But if our output is not energized, our input is not energized, it's going to work. If our input is energized, it's not going to work. It's directly energized, I think. Now I need to move it offline and then online to check that. So I think that's our jump and label operations are going to work. If I am going to jump the whole list, it will also going to work. But I am just showing you that some descriptions that how to label that and if I am going to use a jump, so it will directly jump it to from that level if you want to run. So that's it, that's our jump operation are going to work in our TIA portal. So it's just a simple program. Operations are used as much as in our TIA portals tutorials in our factory in our machine programming. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and click the bell icons and comments if you don't understand anything. So thank you very much again.